Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Moyer here with Healthy Habits Start Now. I have my two daughters here to help us put a taste test together. I have my daughter,
Allison,
and
Natalie.
All right, so tell them, AJ, what we're gonna make today.
Apple turkey wraps.
Apple turkey wraps. All right, so let's go through our ingredients first, and then we'll start to put our wraps together. Okay, Natalie, can you tell them what we have over here?
We have yogurt, spinach, and turkey. Cheese and cubed apples.
And then we also have, what we're gonna wrap it in is a whole wheat tortilla. So we should try to make sure our grains are whole grains. They're better for us. So our first step, I'm gonna move these things out of the way so everyone can see how we do this. All right, so Natalie's gonna help me spread the yogurt onto the tortilla first. And you can use any flavor yogurt you like. Go ahead. We're gonna use a vanilla flavored yogurt. Good. We're gonna spread it all over the tortilla. We have already washed our apples and our spinach. It's really important to wash our fruits and our veggies before
And
we
our
eat
hands.
them. Oh, that's right. And we wash our hands. Good job. And you can put as much yogurt as you want. You can do a really thin layer, or you can do lots of yogurt depending on how much you like it.
I like it a lot.
You like a lot? What do you think? Does that look pretty good?
Yep.
Look good?
Mm-hmm.
All right. So we're going to keep our knife because when we're done, we're going to cut our tortilla in half. Okay, and then the next step is to layer on some of our spinach. If you don't like spinach, you can always use regular lettuce. Go ahead and put just a few leaves in the middle.
Like 4, maybe?
Sure.
Count out 4. 1, 2, 3, and
Do
4.
one more. Good. And put that one right in the middle. All right. Thank you. And then the next thing we're going to put is our turkey. So our turkey is going to give us our protein. I'm going to move it over. And if you don't like turkey, you can use ham or any kind of lunch meat that you like. So we're going to layer this up on top of our
Will salami work?
spinach. You could do salami if you like salami.
I hate salami.
Good. Then don't use salami if you don't want to put anything on there that you don't want to eat. Very good. That looks great. All right, now we're going to switch our tortilla to this side, and Allison's going to put on some of our cheese. You can use any kind of cheese you like. We're using a shredded cheddar cheese.
I hate that cheese.
And
But I'm
then,
going to put all, okay.
some of our diced apples.
How then?
As many as you like. We have to put it in the center though, so it'll be a little easier to cut.
Now
All right,
we're
so that's
gonna
it.
wrap it.
So this is how I like to wrap it so that nothing falls out. I put the two sides together here and then I fold it all in.
That's how you do our tacos.
All right, so there's our wrap. We're gonna cut it down the middle.
So everyone can have
And then we're gonna do our taste test. Remember, you can take a no thank you bite. And that's just taking one bite of something, and if you don't like it, you can just say no thank you, I'm not gonna eat the rest, okay? And then we're gonna vote, right? So we're gonna do our thumbs up if we liked it, thumbs aside if it was just okay, and thumbs down if we didn't like it. All right, here we go. Ready, girls? We're gonna taste at the exact same time, so we're gonna count to 3. 1, 2. That was a huge bite.
Oh.
Okay, so we have one thumb up. We can't talk right now with our mouths full, right? Natalie, what do you think? Do you like it? It is a thumbs up for you? Okay. I don't think we're going to be able to do any jokes today because we have full mouths, right? Okay. We will see you next time. I hope you enjoy this, and we'll talk to you later. Bye, friends.